kindergarten dolphins, we're going to do some math. So let's begin with our objective. I'll start and you repeat. Objective is what we are going to learn. Let's flip it over. It says I can compare amounts. So this is what we've been working on for the last few days. We're going to continue today. Today you can use some cubes, and then your homework is going to be on Class Dojo, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to begin with looking at some cubes here. I have got some different amounts of cubes. I have some red cubes and some pink cubes. Now, what is a fast way that I could compare these amounts? How could I quickly see which I have more or less of? Well, I could count them, but I could also stack them to compare. So I'm going to make two towers here. I'm going to first make a tower with my pink cubes. Then I'm going to make a tower with my red cubes. So here's my pink tower. Now I'm going to stack up my red cubes here, and I will compare the two towers. Okay, so here are my two towers. Now, which cubes do I have more of, my red or my pink? I have more red. How do we know? Well, my tower is taller or longer. My red tower is taller or longer than my pink tower, which means that I have more cubes. My pink tower is shorter or smaller than my red tower, which means it has less cubes. Now, I want to be able to compare the amounts of cubes here, so I'm also going to count. So now, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 7 reds and 1, 2, 3, 4 pink. 7 red and 4 pink. So now, how can I compare these numbers? I can say 7 is more than 4. 4 is less than 7. Now, when I stack up my two towers here, I also can see how many more cubes I have. So if I look at my 7 and my 4, I have 1, 2, 3 more cubes on my red tower. So I can say that 7 is 3 more than 4, and 4 is 3 less than 7. That's how many I would need to add to my pink tower to make it as tall as my red tower. So give that a try with your cubes. See if you can make two towers and how you would compare them. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like what you're going to see on your homework today. So let's do some practice. You're going to see some little drawings of cubes. And it's going to tell you to either draw a tower with more or less. So this one says, draw a tower with more cubes. So I need to draw a tower that has more than this. How many do I have here? I have 3 in my tower, so I need to show a tower with more. So I'm going to start by making a tower of 3, just like they did. But then I need to add more. Now I could just add 1 more, or I could add a few more. I'm going to add maybe 2 more here. Okay, so I added 2 more. So what is 3 and 2 more? That makes 5. So now it says blank is more than blank. What are the two numbers that I'm comparing? I have 5 and 3. 5 is more than 3. And I know that it's 2 more than 3 because that's how many I added. Let's look at our next one. It says draw a train with fewer cubes. Now, a train is when we turn our towers sideways. We have our little cube train here. Now, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this cube train. I need to draw a train that is fewer, so it is less. So I'm going to draw 5 like they did, but then I'm going to take some away, just so I can copy what they have here. But I need it to be fewer, so I'm going to take away 1. And now my train has 4. And I can say 4 is less than 5. That's how I would compare these numbers. Let's do one more here. This one says, draw a tower with more cubes. Ooh, this already looks like it has a lot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7. So I'm going to start by making one that matches. And then I'm going to need to add more. Okay, here's 7. I need to add more. So I'm just going to add one more at the top here. Now how many do I have? 1 more than 7 is 8. So I can say 8 is more than 7. And it's just 1 more than 7 because I only added 1 cube. All right, so you're going to have some problems like this for your homework. You're going to see 2 problems that look like this, where they're going to ask you to draw more or less and then to fill in the sentence, either saying that comparing your numbers, all right? So that's what you're going to work on Class Dojo. You'll find the worksheet, and I will check in with you all later. Good luck, Kindergarten Dolphins. Bye.